Today I'm with Gopi, famously known as Badava Gopi from India. He's a well-known impressionist, a famous movie star and a TV personality. He's here to teach his first student in America how to do some impressions.
Hi, my name is Sakshit Shankar. I am in 3rd grade in Lancashire Elementary School, Delaware in the United States. I am going to perform a lion noise taught by Gopi Mama, who's taking the video right now.
Today we're going to learn how to make a lion roar. Especially this is for children. Okay, you can really practice, and I will teach you some of the basics. Here we go. If you want to do a lion roar, the basics is the first sound is from your deep of your throat. The next one is a snoring sound. The third one is from middle of your throat, like. The 3 sounds. Okay, if you put all these 3 sounds together, you can really make a lion roar. See here. Okay, keep practicing so that you can really straighten your friends and you can really make them scary. Okay, happy practicing. Now, one of my first student in America from Delaware, Sachit, will demonstrate how we learned this lion roar from me. Over to Sachin. Okay, happy lion roaring.
When you wanted to learn an animal sound, first you should know how to use the microphone. This mic is called dynamic mics, where you have to talk straight on the center of the microphone. You should not keep it very far. You should not keep it on the side. See, your sounds are leaking. So you should keep exactly on the straight with on the microphone. Okay? You holding it? Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, see now. Side you say hello on the side if you keep it side.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir?
Hello. You can't hear me.
Yeah, so that's the first point. Now we are going to show you how does a lion roar. Okay?
And when you do it, make sure you keep it in the middle.
Brilliant.
So you can hear it louder.
You're louder. Okay? Yeah, wait. I'll just, okay? First you have to do such a, first this is one, okay? Okay. Yeah. These are the basics. Now we'll do a lion which is walking, then it's taking a breath, it's taking a breath, and then it roars, again it walks, again it settles. You understand? Mm-hmm. Okay? Now you do that. Ready? Ready? First it's walking. The bite one, I told you. The bite one. How does it walk? Then, now breathe. Give the lion sound. Now. One more. Oh, now it walks. Now breathe. Okay. Okay, we'll do it one more time. Okay, just listen. Ready? Okay, the last one, how do you do? The walking, you do that? Okay, one more time. Now it's walking. Yeah. Now we will do it with the action, okay? Ready? Ready, same now. The walking. Walking one. Yeah, sound. Yeah, sound. This side. Now this side. One more time. Big one. Walking. Yeah. A big one now. Next sound. One more sound. Sound. Now walking. Walking. Settle down. So thank you very much. Keep practicing. But before you do this sound, you can also add your actions. all these things, definitely you'll get the line to the perfect one. So thank you, Sachit, for making the first sound, and wish you all the best. Okay, come to India, we can learn more. Okay. So you want to say something to your fans? Say something. Keep learning, keep practicing. We'll do more songs. Subscribe to Gopi Mama's channel.
Subscribe to Gopi Mama's channel.
Yeah.
Thank you. Goodbye.